Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Part 3.
I don't know where I just welded. That was a total guess. Alright, let's see. I've made it this much farther. I've got the bottom on now. And I actually got it straight compared to that one. It's a shame how things work that way. Like when you start something, you don't do as good as you do later in the day because you know you've gotten used to it again, and
Hindsight.
it's like you get rusty so quick trying to do this stuff. And like I said before, this is my happy place. It really is my happy place. I'm gonna make it where it can't twist now.
Well, it says it's going to allow us 33 minutes.
Well, I can do that.
Okay.
That's not moving. That's not moving. I'll tell you that much. Just make it more secure. Halt. I don't think my chickens like this anymore, do they? Every time I weld, they start freaking out now.
They don't like noises.
Not these kind. They remind you, you know how people think you live again or whatever? Maybe they've been electrocuted the first life. Oh yeah, glowing cherry red. This sucker is not ever gonna fall apart. I can give you that. I know it won't. And not because I'm welding it either. Just because you get a good feeling sometimes, you know? But people know what I'm talking about. You get a good feeling about something, you're like, hey, this is gonna work finally. And like I said, it took me just 30 minutes probably to figure out how to weld this stuff, didn't it? Like, I'm used to welding a little thicker metal than this.
Random stuff.
Yeah, like eventually I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna redo my truck and I'm gonna redo a few vehicles, like bodywork wise. But there's no way in hell I'm jumping in on my truck that I care about, that was my dad's, and start slicing it to pieces and try to do a good job on it when I don't even know what the hell I'm doing yet. I'm gonna get better is what I'm saying. Before I go and work on something that actually means something to me. But the way I look at it, I won't be packing this welder. And that's good. I mean, it's not going nowhere, is it?
That might. That's up there.
Everything else is falling apart, but yeah, see, I need some legs down here now. I got to put the wheels back on to make that right. I'm thinking about like slicing these, bending them down, welding them back to make me some better handles, because those are, you'd be laying back like this. You know what I mean? So yeah, hey, look at that. It's a lot easier to play with now. Yeah, I'm actually happy now. So it's getting a little stressed out while we go. But I'm getting happy again. You can show that lawnmower deck over there that I sliced. You know what I mean?
What's left of it?
Yeah, where I've cut out the corners of it. You can show that. You can tell that I cut it up. That's what that is, the back of the lawnmower. There's a lot more welding I can do here to strengthen that up, but I'm not gonna do it on here. When it comes to those handles, worry about that last and go ahead and do that for it. Huh?
Yeah. Get it standing on its own.
Alright, here's how tall it is. Welder, someday a plasma cutter. That's what I'm hoping. Because you know, the death wheel, it finally gets feeling like death. I mean, you finally, I don't know. I think age does it too. I got these, which came off the ladder.
Hangers or something.
Huh?
Are they hangers?
Yeah, the hook where it hooks onto the bed rail. And man, they look like they're already the right height. I'm gonna have to come down just a little bit. I wonder like how far I should tilt it. See, we ain't got a level spot out here. So I mean, you know, I wonder if I should go like that much or like that, or what would you do?
I think I'd have it sitting as level as it can be.
Level?
With the tabletop thing?
It'd be like a balancing act, won't it, if I do that? If you put too much weight on the wheels, it's going to start rolling backwards. Or can you even get a balance thing when the weight's all in the front? You know what I mean?
Figure it out as we go.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing. You really think level? Because if level,
That's my guess.
I'll just weld these legs back where they're just the same. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I could be wrong.
Like, I could weld it like just like that, and it would be pretty much level. If it's wrong, I can cut it off, shorten it. I can do anything I want. I got a welder, right?
Right.
If I could keep my mind going here. Huh. I've already had to slice these off of that, so. They're not the same. Because, you know, I'm not bad Chad.
Smoke ass.
Huh?
Nope, you're smoke ass.
For the weld. Alright. Now, I'm going to guess on the first one, the second one I'll measure. Right? Now, since, I don't know if this is like perfect, so one might end up being longer than the other too, who knows? Oh, round top is a pain in the ass. I'd rather use square stock any day. I might have to just hold it there with my own hands and do this. I don't think this is going to help me. Don't you think it makes sense to at least face these things out toward the front? I think it does.
I don't know if it'll make a difference.
You know, it makes a difference because it puts more shit out here in the front, more balance.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I guess. More stability.
Yeah. This is not round pop. Alright, freehand. I'm smoking. I hate wasting cigarette. Sure, whatever, man. Let's do it. should make them grounds open up better than that. Think about building my own ground on this thing. Back on the ground working now. I can tell I haven't ate nothing, man. I'm shaking. Don't know if it's straight, don't know if it's anything. I think either way I'm gonna leave it.
Might check the height before you get it on there too far.
Yeah, I need to be welded better than that. I don't think it actually stuck very good. Okay, maybe it's just there now. That was more welded than what I wanted to do. No, it ain't wanting to stick. Maybe I didn't clean it good enough.
Well, it looks like a good spot for
I
it.
think so too. I'm gonna leave it like that.
At least on this ground.
Yep.
It does look good.
Yeah, crooked shit. But, I mean, that's everything around. Yeah. It's twisted. I don't like it. I kind of want to redo it. But you know what? It's there. Try to blow on it through my Now she's kind of, uh-oh. What's going on, man? I got it turned up high enough now? Looks like it ain't penetrating that metal very good. I got it clean, I thought. We're gonna make it work. Oh, about to put it out, didn't I? Yeah, we're gonna make it work. That's better. Alright. Just put the other one on there. Shall we?
Folk show.
I'm just gonna have to guess because, you know, it's what I do. I'm gonna guess. Sure, that's in the right place. Looks just as shitty as the other one, don't it?
Should you test the height again? Stand it up just in case you was to not like
I don't know
it?
if that weld's good enough. It'll be good enough. This lands all like this. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, plus my frame is a little twisted. Uh-oh.
Well,
Well, I can fix it now.
yeah.
can't
I
knew
think it was a
hanging-
bit high anyways.
It was hanging off for dear life. Did you say a bit high? Wasn't it a bit low? It wasn't touching the ground, was it?
That's what I mean. It was attached a bit high on the bar.
Well, I'm going to clean this bag up. Maybe I ain't cleaning good enough. I could turn that sucker up just a little bit. I hate to cook a hole through that, you know? I could tell what happened though. Okay, it was too low or too high?
It wasn't touching the ground.
It wasn't touching the ground. That's what, this is a guessing game, I'm telling you. Crooked. Oh well. Crooked was its name on. Alright. Come on, please don't break. Straighter. I'm gonna call it before I break it. The welder works a little better turned up like that. Weird, because that pipe, it'll burn right through it. It's staying where it's at. If it's not touching, if it's touching, it's staying. Damn it, man. See why I need a welding cart? Drag that thing all over the yard. And she's going nowhere now. Yeah, that welder needed turned up a little bit. Well, look at that. That's not bad. Is it?
Mm.
Well.
Looks like something.
Huh?
It looks like something.
Yeah, it does look like something. Looks like a welder stand. Kind of. It's not exactly what you'd find in the store, but it's going to work for what I need it for. I will probably find me some more pipe and connect these, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just to strengthen it up. And maybe even like the bar that I run in here, maybe run one at a slant like this on each side, just to, you know, tie it all together a little better. And I might not, because I don't care. And this thing is stout. I got a lot of welding I still have to do to it. Like I said, it was a piece of junk in my yard. Now it's going to work for something. I got to find some wood or something to put up here. I ain't got no sheet metal or nothing like that. So I think that's what it's going to be right now. But it's not like you won't get to see it again. I'm going to use this thing a lot on here. You'll see the handle sliced, pulled back, all that stuff. I mean, like I said, we live on a ground that is, every place is different out here. A billion walnuts everywhere. Oh. What do you think, babe? Huh?
I think it's coming together.
Think so? I think it's good enough for what it is and who it's for.
This one's at 18 minutes.
18? Yeah, I have time to slice those handles.
Yeah, you got about 15 left. It'll let you film.
Now, I don't know what to do. Like, I want to weld those on better. You know what I mean? Because they're, I know this one ain't coming off because the weld actually went down and you can see it. It don't set up high. Yeah, I think this might be powder coat. And if it is, the welder, it just don't like it. I bet you it is, huh? Powder coat. Damn, it thing's hot. How much do I want to weld it though? Come on. Sucky ground, huh? Hear that welder getting with it? It's over there sounding like it's gonna fly to pieces. Can't believe I ain't kicked the breaker yet. Oh, come on. Good enough. Good enough. I believe it's fine. Oh yeah, put my chunky ass on it. It's fine, man. Well, there you go. Like I said, you'll see it done. Cause I'm gonna be using this a lot. I'm tired of packing that thing around. All right, see ya.